If your USB flash drive or SD card says this disk is write protected whenever you try to copy, delete or format files, in this video I'll show you how to fix that. What you want to do first is open up your command prompt and run it as administrator. Now type the command DiskPart and press enter. To see the list of the drives on your computer, enter the command list disk. Locate your USB by its size. I currently have one USB connected to my computer and the size is 3 gig. Now type select disk and then enter the number of your USB drive. This is where you find the number of your USB drive. In my case, the number here is 1. So I'll just enter 1, then press enter. As you can see, it says disk 1 is now the selected disk. Next, type the command attributes disk and press enter. If current read-only state stays yes on your screen, then go ahead and type attributes disk clear randomly. After that, you see a message that says disk attributes cleared successfully. Then lastly, type the command exit. Now reconnect your drive and try copying a file or doing whatever it is you couldn't do before. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking this video.